It is freezing cold here, but I'm dreaming of warmer weather, so let's do a cup sheet haul. First up is the perfect basic black swimsuit. The bottoms are super flattering and have a band here. I did a medium in the top and a medium in the bottoms, and the bottoms have good booty coverage. The cutest stripes and ruffle one. I love the bow detail in this. The bottoms have good booty coverage. Top is not adjustable on the straps or in the back, but it's very comfortable, cute. I did a medium in the top, small in the bottoms, and the top has removable padding. This one is a surprise favorite. I love the color on this one. I love the fit of this. I like how it makes me feel. The bottoms are super comfortable. They have good booty coverage. I did a small in the bottom and a medium in the top. This top is adjustable and super cute. This one is a little out of my comfort zone, but I thought it was super cute, so I wanted to share it. These bottoms, I love that they're a tie bottom, but a thicker band here. Has good booty coverage. I did do a medium in the bottom and in the top, but I was able to adjust these and make them a little bit tighter so they fit good, and it has a cute little charm here. Moving on to a couple of the one pieces, and this one is hands down my favorite. I love the leopard print. I love the fit of this one. Has good booty coverage. I will say I'm wearing a medium, but I definitely needed to get a small just to help fit here and then in my butt a little bit better, but love this one.